Hey guys, today I'm going to read a story about hope. Everyone needs hope in order to thrive, and hope is something that helps us to look on the positive side of things, and hope helps us to look forward to the future. So today, Hope is an Open Heart by Lauren Thompson is what we're going to read. Hope sometimes feels far away, but hope is always there. Hope is the warmth of strong arms around you. Hope is sad tears flowing, making room for joy. Hope is angry words bursting, making room for understanding. Hope is scared words asking for help and finding that help is there. Hope is knowing that you are loved. Hope is knowing that you love others. Hope is holding tight to your mother's hand. Hope is your father's goodnight kiss. Hope is remembering his kisses when he can't be there with you. Hope is finding happiness in the simple things. Hope is daring to do something you've never done before. Hope is remembering that you are not alone. Many others feel just the way you do, and many others care. Hope is a candle flame in the darkness. Hope is the clear sky above the gray clouds. Hope is the glistening of the snow when the storm has passed. Hope is a heart that is open to the world around you. Hope is knowing that things can change and that we can all help things to change for the better. Hope is always there inside of you, waiting to unfold. So I hope you enjoyed the read aloud today on hope.